Hello everyone and welcome back on my channel. I am Clean with Barbie. Okay, so today this is going to be a different video than another one because right now I'm going to clean my own kitchen. So, just a little explain, my kitchen is not used to looks like this. Except the lime scale. It's very strong. I don't know why on this surface. But anyway, so my kitchen is not used to looks like this. I just definitely want to explain. But this week was very, very hard and difficult and busy. I can say like we was running all day, and when we came home, we was just eating, and go to the bed because oh my gosh. So you know that I told you we are going back to Hungary for 2 weeks because a little vacation, Easter break is here for the kids. I will give a very important interview and also we're gonna vote, but I was talking about this before. And also I'm gonna help for someone because I was planning this like when I'm gonna be in Hungary, of course I want to help to someone to clean the house, and I found a very interesting house where the man is living in a very terrible condition and he got a stroke. So he's very, very sick and he definitely needs help. And his friends are very, very nice. I'm showing this like I can do anything with that corner. So the friends are very, very nice and they asked my help, and I said yes, of course. The only question was if the owner would accept my help because he didn't accept the friend's help. Maybe because he was really feel shame, I don't know exactly. So anyway, but the reason why I was super, super busy on this week is because I don't want to say that we bought a new car because this is a very difficult story, but now we have another car, what is new and wasn't on our name, but it's on our name right now. Um, and because we don't use an airplane to go back to Hungary, my husband will drive back with the whole family, of course. We wanted to make sure everything is okay with the car. This is kind of like a long way. Like he has to drive 70, no, not 70, 27 hours, something like that. But of course he can't do that because we tried once. We was like very positive about that, like he can drive that long, and he realized no, so he got super super tired, and we stopped in Italy. It was 10, 11 p.m. We was sitting in a very very small car, okay, with two kids, middle of Italy. It was raining. We was trying to find a hotel or something where we can sleep. Everybody say no, sorry, we have a full house. And we couldn't believe, like, it was like insane. And my husband said like, okay, we're not gonna do this. Oh yeah, we tried to sleep. That was a BMW car, and it was really really small. The kids were sleeping on the back seat. That was okay for them, but we tried to sleep on the front seat and we couldn't, especially my husband. And then around 12, p.m. or a.m., midnight, let's say midnight, midnight, we was riding on the way again. So it was very, very hard. And when we arrived to Slovenia, there he said, like, I am sorry, but I'm very, very sleepy now. So I feel I'm gonna sleep. We had to stop in Slovenia, middle of somewhere again. It was a little village. And I was like, okay, let me go to walk with the kids and then you can sleep like an hour and that's gonna help a little bit. That was that time where we found some cows and we was petting the cows, and the farmers was looking at us like who they are and why they are petting our cows, but it was super cute. Anyway, so now we're gonna go on Sunday early morning, and then we gonna have a room. We just rented a room because we wanted to make sure we're not gonna be in the same situation like summer, like last year. It's going to be in Italy. We're gonna sleep, and after at the morning we're gonna go, and we're gonna go in my father's house first. So the car, we wanted to make sure everything is okay with the car. We don't want to broke down middle of somewhere, because with two kids it's not a fun, and it's not, I don't want it. It was needed an oil change and a tire change, and make sure everything is okay with the car. And also we went to a store where they have a used parts for car, because we need an other wheel, if anything's happened. Anyway, so it was like a lot of things to do before we go. And on this week I was like, okay, I'm not scheduling anyone, I don't care, because this is very, very important. And also, we was packaging a little bit, because we wanted to make sure everything is, we're gonna have everything. So it's really like, it's a big thing, when you travel this big. And yeah, that's why I was like, okay, right now my own home is a mess, so I need an extreme cleaner. And I tried to, search some extreme cleaner around us, but I found myself. So I was like, okay, let's do this. So this is the reason why you see it's everything. It's like kind of dirty and messy because of this. I had no time. I didn't focus well on cleaning. You can see it's not that bad. So it's like, it's not a big thing. I was able to clean my kitchen like an hour, 1.5. I scrubbed everything all around except the inside the cabinets, because inside the cabinets it's very okay. Everything is okay. But the microwave also, the microwave is okay, because now you're not gonna see how I'm cleaning the microwave, because it's clean. I cleaned it like last week, and we didn't mess up. We're not really, I don't say we're not really using the microwave, because we do, but we are using okay. Oh yeah, the mostly what we're using is the air fryer, and everybody was super interesting how I clean my own air fryer. This is very important. Let me tell you something. You can see here is some crumbs. Yeah, not nice. Everybody's keep asking how I'm cleaning inside. To be honest with you, you can judge me. I am wiping all around the top part, and I don't care more. If it's not 100% clean, if it's a little burned or something, as much as I can, I cleaning down, but I'm not going crazy. I know it's clean. Sometimes, I put water inside that basket, and I boiling up, and I use lemon or something, and this is how I disinfect inside. But otherwise, I'm not trying to scrub. And still I'm talking about the top part, not the bottom part, not the basket part, because the basket is of course a different thing. We are using many times, so that's get dirty. But my secret is, after I'm using, we are washing, so we're not leaving dirty for, I don't know, days or weeks. And I also bought a paper, the greasy paper, I don't know what's the name, the English name, that's especially for air fryers. And then if you bake something inside the air fryer, it's not messing up too much. So use it, because really good, and you don't have to worry about it. I'm telling this if you are busy, or you are a little bit more kind of lazy. But I don't like to call anyone lazy, but you can focus on cleaning. You can see my hair, it's missing some, like the line is not missing, but I have a very weird hair, and it seems like I don't have hair over there, but I do. Okay, just make sure you're not like, hey, Barbie's hair is missing on that part. You can see my little toaster, it's also clean, because I'm trying to clean everything, it's like I'm not leaving crazy dirty. And you can see I'm just wiping all around a little bit, and after I can put away, because it's clean. There is a little black spot, but that's not dirt, the paint is came off somehow, I don't know. Okay, so here I use a degreaser. You can see changed white foam color a little bit after I was just scrubbing all around. because it's, I can tell you again, it's still not dirty. So it's beautiful. I'm washing all the parts. I remember I saw an air fryer, and then the screw was really greasy. It's really hard to clean the screw, and I'm always watching my screw, like the nail screw. How you call that? And if it's clean, I know my air fryer is clean. I was scrubbing all around inside, but still not the top part, because it is what it is. It's the material of that. It's different. I think it's aluminum or something like that, and it's really really hard to clean, because if you spray all around with the degreaser, then it's gonna change the color. So it's not gonna be that shiny. That's what I'm saying. Like, nobody see inside. If anybody who comes in my house wants to see inside what's going on inside my air fryer, that's not my friend. Okay, so yes, look at this. It's more than enough. Beautiful. Ooh, yes. And I'm still wiping all around outside. That's also very important for me, because I don't like fingerprints on it. Okay, so you can judge me now. Since we moved here, I didn't clean this filter. I always like, okay, I'm gonna do today, and I always forgot, or I was too busy, or something happened, and I was like, this is the day when I'm gonna clean it, and I didn't know this is this bad. And I can tell you, I kind of hate this system, because what is this? What is this? I mean, like, that door was keep closing on my head. I had to hold it. That's why you can see well what I'm doing, because I was too tired. I'm literally holding the door with my back, and it's not fun. I was very careful here, because it's electricity, and I don't want to spray inside. Look at this. Look at this. Uh huh. What is this? Who made this? Anyway, so I try my best. I clean as much as possible, and I think I made a good job. Later, I will show you how I clean up the filter as well, but it needs to soak a little bit, and still, it's soaking. I'm cleaning all around. The cooker top, ceramic top. What is the name of that? I don't know these names. I don't know what's going on with me, but I don't know how people call things. I don't know why. Yes, here I'm just wiping down my tile. It's beautiful. You can see this was a little greasy, and it was burning stuff. The first cooker, yeah, the first place is already destroyed, not by me. I didn't do anything. When we moved in, it was already, so it's not gonna be that shiny. And also, I want to tell you something, before you judging me like, hey Barbie, why are you living in an old house or something. We are renting this house, this home. It's not a house, it's an apartment on the third floor. We are renting this. We was thinking about it to buy a house, but not right now, because we don't know where we want to move. We don't know where we want to enjoy. The place where my kids, it's a very little town where the kids goes to the school, and I like that town, but that is too quiet. It's really really nothing over there. There has a little shop and some bars, little bars, friendly bars, family friendly bars. There is one playground. It's cute. It's very cute, but in the same time, I don't know if I will enjoy to live over there. For the kids, it's the best, because they can be free. The friends is in the town. Parents can look after your kid if they do something. They can tell us like, "Hey, I saw your kid made some trouble." So for this, I would like to move over there, because in the city, when I let out my son play, this is a city. The number two is like, I like the city, because since I don't have a driver license, it's good for me, because I can go everywhere where I want, and I don't need my husband. I know I should get my driver license. It's under progress, okay? Progress. So I'm gonna get some driver license. But I don't know where we want to move. I like and hate city, and at the same time I like the little town and I hate it. So it's like I don't know. That's why we're renting an apartment, because we don't know where we want to move. Okay, so this is, you can see it's not 100% clean, because this is, I don't know what kind of material is this, and I think I need to soak the whole night or more hours, but I was like, okay, right now, you know what? It's not that bad, it's cleaner, so I just leave it. Uh, I have another pot, and I used for 30 minutes the same degreaser, and it was shiny, shiny. So I don't know why it's not working on that, but now I was like, okay, I'm not focusing on this because I still have a lot of things. And I also wanted to show you how I'm cleaning my bathroom, because my bathroom was also a very little messy. It's not a big thing, but a little messy when they called from the school, like, hello, are you Daniel's mother? And I say, yes, what's going on? You know, when they call you from the school, like, are you the mother of this? It's never a good thing. So you always think like, oh my gosh, some incident, like, something big thing happened. And they was like, actually your son had a pee pee in the pants. And I don't know why, but last time the teacher sent home the pants, the extra pants, what we put in the backpack, and we forgot to put in a new one. I thought like there is another one, but no. So they say like, okay, can you please come to pick up your son now? I'm like, yeah, okay, yes, I can go, of course. And I say like, give me like a 30 minutes, because we are living 35 minutes away from the school. And I was like, okay, okay. So I couldn't finish the bathroom, and I have to do that actually today, because it's very important for me. When we come back, when we leave the house, I want clean. When we come back, I want a clean house, because I don't want to start with cleaning. I don't know what time we're gonna come home, maybe in the midnight, so I definitely don't want to clean. And also a very good thing happened, like we was planning to travel with the cat, but I knew it like that's a very big stress for my cat, because when we came from Hungary to Spain and she was traveling with us in the car, that was super, super terrible. She was super scared. She was meowing in the car. It was a torture for my cat. And I was like, oh my gosh, but what to do? I don't know anyone, almost anyone in Spain. So who can help us? And thank God we found a person. So she's going to come and take care of the cat in the next 2 weeks. All right. And this is end of the video. I'm showing you how it looked like before, and I'm showing how it looks like now. I hope you like it, this little part. I know it's not like a crazy cleaning, and maybe I didn't explain anything well, but at least you can see a lot of changes. It's not really the deepest cleaning ever, but now this is how much I was able to do. And I promise you, I will come back with a very beautiful and interesting cleaning. There I'm gonna make beautiful, amazing changes. So stay with me, please. Still, I'm here. I'm the Barbie who used to make crazy extreme cleanings, but this week was crazy, crazy. Okay? So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye bye.